What's up, YouTube? Pieces of Yasin here on a rather windy day. Just got out of the shower and figured I'd go check the mail, see if we got some tiles. Today is currently Saturday. Time, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, it's 1:07. You can probably barely make that out. But yeah, just gonna go on check the mail. Let's do it. Oh wow, look at this. See that, guys? Wanna know when that happened? Oh, look at this. In case you can't see. That happened last night. Right now it's just about no clouds in the sky, which is very interesting. It's actually interesting because it's going to get cloudy again tonight. It's going to be like overcast tonight, but then it's going to be clear again tomorrow. But like yesterday, like last night, it like rained so hard we had like a friggin' flash flood, which is weird. So, and the rain actually continued into the morning, and I was thinking, you know, we're going to have a thunderstorm, but turns out that we're not going to have a thunderstorm, thankfully. I don't know what it is, guys. I just can't stand those. But what really surprised me is how much it cleared. I mean, look at the sky. It's crazy. Maybe. There you go. Silly camera. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. I just had some dogs barking at me back there. I thought it was gonna literally like get chased down, but they sounded pretty angry. But you know, they had an electric fence, so I had nothing to worry about. Look at that. Dang. Anyhow, it's quite clear. Why I don't know if the mail's come yet, because I have been walking for a little while. It's now 1:11. Don't know if you guys can see that, but it is 1:11. So yeah, we're getting there though. We're almost there. But yeah, I mean, like, the weather's been really weird lately. We've had a lot of rain, had a lot of sun. I'm hoping that the sun will stay. It looks like we're gonna have, for the most part, at least from what I can tell, it looks like we're gonna have a sunny week, which is awesome. But yeah, I also did something smart today. I brought a backpack. You might remember my last video, I had a bit of an incident, like I kept dropping all the letters. I just made that video because I was bored, honestly, and I wanted to get some outdoor footage. But man, I'm really hoping they're here today because I'm actually in the mood of doing it. Like, I'm in the proper mood of replacing the stickers, so that would be really nice if I could do it right now. But I mean, you know, I am currently on the computer. Here comes somebody. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, like, wow. Look. I mean, that's crazy. Look at that. Whoa. Even if this isn't as successful, like my tiles haven't come in yet, I might still upload this to YouTube because of all this flooding. Look at that. The river goes all the way down to green pipe or this pipe. Oh, sorry, guys. It's under here. Let's see if I can like feel it moving, but I guess it's not moving fast enough. It comes out on this side. Actually, I want to see what happens if I put this in here. Alright, ready? Watch. Alright, I'm gonna put this over here. There you go. Wait for it to see how long it takes for it to come out the other side. And there it is. Follow it. Look how fast it's moving. You guys can see that thing. It's crazy. Anyway, we're at the end of the road. Where'd that thing go? Oh, I guess it... Actually, where did it go? Oh, there it is. Yeah. It's gone again. Oh. Keep losing track of it. And then there's another pipe there. And it'll go on for who knows. Whoa. I was talking to that one. I think it just goes all the way down into that place. Anyway, here are the mailboxes. So, let me just pop this thing open. See, we actually got mail today. Well, the tiles are not in the mailbox. It is freaking windy. Look, waterfall. I mean, it's like, wow. Let's see. Sorry, you guys. It's really, really windy for some reason. I'm not sure why. Anyhow, let's see. I don't want to follow this thing the whole way down, but I just want to see. Alright. Let's get like a leaf. Put that in there. Go and take that to the other side. Alright. Wait. That's moving pretty fast. And there it is. Dang. That's crazy. Oh, I got stuck. It looks like it goes down here. Down there. I might be able to see that. Wow. That is really cool. Someone mowing the lawn. Oh no, well that's what Hey. He's actually not mowing his lawn. He's like laying seed or something. Look at that. It's crazy. That again. Nothing going on much over this way. A little bit of a river. Not much though. Hey, let's see. Let's just go down a little ways. There's some right there. Just ridiculous. I mean, it's not a whole, I mean, that's not a whole lot. It's really nothing's going on over here, but, you know, still, over there, though, is where it really got crazy. Wow. Here's some. Wow. I swear. Angry dogs. Wow, just wow. It's nice and sunny though, which is good. It's gonna look right up. Something else there. You can pretty much tell it's very windy. So I apologize for that. That's nice. Something going on down there. A little bit of a river, lake type thing. And all these trees that are knocked down, you might think it looks like a post-apocalyptic thing going on with all these trees. That was from 2 Christmases ago. We had like this insane ice storm. They're calling for like a little ice storm, if you're gonna be, it actually, they called for this Christmas Eve night. They said, alright, if you're going anywhere for Christmas, just be careful, it's gonna be a little icy. But when we woke up on Christmas, it sounded like a friggin' war show. It was like trees falling down this way and that, and it just sounded like we're in the middle of a war zone or something. It's just ridiculous. I mean, like, really. The ice storm was so intense that like our entire town just had to like shut down or something. It was really weird. And I wish I had a camera back then, but remember 2 years ago was when I was using that little Nikon Coolpix L16, and that little camera, it broke, I think like Thanksgiving week, it like broke. And it was, I mean, I could still use it. I use it sometimes, and it was just really poor quality, as if the quality wasn't already poor enough. But, it was just even worse. It was practically unusable. Just wasn't worth it. I did take some pictures of it with my phone and put them up to my blog, but I think the images are broken now. I'll have to look into that. I'll see about that, guys. There's something going on. Although I think that's been there. Right over there. I'm not sure how long it's been there, but I don't know. I don't remember that being there though. Interesting. That lake I'm trying to show you. There's something else. I think I'm gonna go back up soon. I don't want my parents to worry. Actually, I'm gonna go up right now. I didn't tell them I'd be walking down this far, but I figured I would since I didn't get the tiles in. I figured I'd make this just a sort of weather video. Here, I want to see this. Or something that will float. Here, let's just use this. Those things. Alright, it's going in there. How long it takes for it to come out the other side. This is actually really amusing. Oh crap, there's a lot of leaves going through there anyway, but I think I'll know which one it is. And I think I just saw, yeah, there it is. Yeah, I don't know, I'm lost. Let's use a dandelion, I haven't seen any of those floating. Alright, this will be easier to distinguish. There, one in there. Probably skipped a few bits too because it looked like it flew in there instead of just floated in there. And where's my there it is. It's crazy. Just ridiculous. Yeah, wow. Anyway, I'm gonna go on back to the mailbox, really. So yeah. Now, if I had my license, I actually did get my permit recently, but if I had my license, I'd actually drive down to the mall because that place floods like freaking easily. Like, you know, even just like a simple rainstorm and you can get a flood. Like, it's really bad. I mean, like, not like, you know, a sprinkle or, you know, just rain. I'm talking like, you know, fairly hard rain, but, you know, it doesn't take a lot to flood that place, so I wish I knew what it looked like. I would, if I had my license, I'd drive down there, but I only have a permit. But, Yeah, man, it's crazy. So anyhow, time right now is 1:28. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna go back home. So, if there's anything else I'll show you. But for now, thanks for watching. Just thought I'd take a look at that little creek again, that little river. The wind is seceded, although, well, nah, it's still pretty windy, but right now it's just seceded a little bit. Look at that. Yeah. It's pretty crazy. This one right here is pretty calm. Up right there. Let's go back up. All these potholes are full. Yeah. It's not the worst flood I think I've had. We have had worse before, like with Hurricane Katrina. We got a little affected by it. And by little I mean like really. Not really, but we did flood and had to call school off a few times, but yeah, I had like 2 crazy floods in like 1 year, and I'm like, ridiculous. It's real calm right there. Once you get right there where that downward flow is, which is actually probably where all the water's coming from, is up there. Since it's so downhill, that's probably where it's like really propelling, getting all that speed from, although I'm not too sure. Yeah, I mean, right here you just sort of have like a lake, or a little like miniature lazy river. How about that? Except you wouldn't really want to float in a raft, because, well, frankly, you can't. Obviously. Yeah. But if I were so daring as to do this, I like find like a little tiny inflatable thing and put my camera on it and float it down here. See what happens. That'd be crazy. Like, that'd be awesome, but frankly I don't have a little tiny inflatable thingy, and I don't trust a little tiny inflatable thingy anyway to my camera. Oh, there's another little waterfall. Look at that. I'm not trying to skip rocks, I'm just showing you where they are, where all the rivers and such are. Oh, look down there. Wow. Just ridiculous. Look at that. Ugh. Ugh. It's like it's flattened. Yeah. It's like solid. That's how much it rained, guys. Like, all this wood here is like really, except that one. It's just, for the most part, it's real soggy. It's pretty hard though. Wow, yeah. Another little river. It might be the same one. Oh, this one's just a lot smaller. Craziness. Gotta stay on this side of the road. Lots of people like to fly up here, fly down here. It's, you know, easier to react, I suppose, to people coming towards you, as opposed to people coming from behind you. It's, you know, you're like, whoa, someone's coming towards me or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. I guess it's just harder to hear people come from behind you. But yes, like, oh, wait. A soggy log. That's pretty hard. I just thought that flattened log was amazing. Wow. deep there. Take a look. Look at that funky it. That's not even towards the middle. Like, let's get one in the middle. It's crazy. Freaking deep. Just insane. Let's see how deep this is. Alright. I'll just take a measurement here. Right up to there. Let's go over here. Check over here. Real frig. Stepped in the water. Right there. Actually, even deeper than that. You can see my thumbs are pretty wet. See ya. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera off now. Thanks for watching. I just freaking ran up here, but you missed it. Hey, we're home. And we're inside. Just thought I'd give you guys a brief sticker update. Got this new one right here, this red one. And there's some right there. Is that a hole? Can't tell. But yeah. I'd say it looks fine, even though it was the first site to chip. I got it. I think is this chip right here. One of these stickers actually like chipped the first day of owning this. Got some going on the orange side. I actually got a lot on the orange side. A lot of this I never noticed until I took a closer look at it. Yellow side looks fine. It's kind of hard to tell though because it is after all yellow. And the cube itself is white. I do think we got a good one right there. That happened like second or third day of owning this. Just ridiculous. Not done yet, the green side. Green side actually seems to be holding up the best, even though it was like the one that was practically peeling off. And we got some going on there. Yeah. Anyhow, when I dump this camera, I actually do have a solve on here that's like 14 minutes long, which is insane for me, so I might need to get that uploaded. And I actually did figure out a few things that I'm starting to do differently now. I might make a video about that, we'll see. But anyway, just figured since this was originally going to be, you know, an intro video to the tile video, because I was just had a strong feeling they'd be here today, but I guess they weren't. You know, I just figured I'd go ahead and show you how my V-cube looks like. So anyway, that's all.